In this video, we're going to fix the 0x00000194 in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, and here please type for wsreset.exe and click on OK button to proceed. Wait until this process would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then let's move on to the second solution, and that is to sign out your Microsoft Store account. Okay, so sign out your Microsoft Store account, and once you have signed it out, you need to sign it in again, and after which, okay, you need to check if the error has been resolved. Okay. Then, unfortunately, if the error still persists, finally you need to navigate to the last solution, and that is to check for time and date. So navigate to the taskbar, make a right click, scroll up and click on adjust date and time. And then from here, please navigate to set time zone automatically, turn this on, and set time automatically turn it on. Once done, close the window and check if the error has been resolved. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.